Are you wondering how your dream design will look? Watch this video to find out.
Irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are new to the channel, here you can find a lot of design ideas. Subscribe and turn on notifications.
Perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and
Have you ever hung a frame not in the right place? We have taken the most important aspects of interior design and condensed them into a free cheat sheet for you. Check out the free designer toolkit on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality. Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's
If this video was useful, give it a like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.